Hi everyone, welcome to this another new trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you the top 3 high win rate scalping strategy. The all strategy work very well with all platforms like Forex, crypto, option and others, and it's work with 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minutes time frames. You can use this 3 scalping strategy immediately after watching this video. So let's get started. So first scalping strategy with 3 minute time frame and 3 EMA length combination. So first I have to add 3 length indicator on my chart, and also I will give all the information of indicator on this video description. So first I go indicator, and from here simply write here EMA, and you can see one indicator name is moving average expansional. Click here and you can see it's at one time, so I need another 2. So again click, you can see second, and I need another 1. So again click and you can see third. So this is my TradingView account. So now I have to change 3 different length. So I need 25 length, 50 length and 100 length. So first go with first one and setting, and from here input, and simply change the length 9 to 25, and also change the style. I want to change the color to see the difference, so I simply go EMA and change the color to yellow, and also I want to change the thickness. Okay, and the same way I just going to the second EMA and I want to change the length to 50, and also change the style, and I want to make it blue, and also make the thickness more bolder, and simply OK to save. And now I need 100 EMA, so I go the third EMA setting, and from here input, and the length I simply make it 100, and simply go styles, change the color to white. You can change any color, it's up to you. Okay, and simply change the thickness as well. Okay, and save. So first step, we have to find a existing trend, and also the 3 EMA direction will be the same, and the 3 EMA stay separate each other, and we are avoid ranging market like this, and also we are avoid this trend if the EMA crossing each other like this. Just remember, we need 3 same direction EMA with separate each other, and the direction will be up or down. If the direction up, we take a long position. If the direction is down, we take short position. So let's see how we can take signal for buy position. In this chart you can see these 3 EMA separate from each other. Also the direction is up. That means it has possibility to going a strong uptrend. And if the price is touch 25 or 50 EMA and give a pullback, at this time we take long position. And if the price touch the 25, 50 and 100, we just avoid the trade. So in this chart you can see prices hit 100 EMA. So let's see what's happened. After few, you can see another one also touch the 100 EMA. That means we are avoid the 2 signal because they are touching 100 EMA. So let's see what's happened next. And the third attempt, you can see the price is successfully touch 25 EMA and give a pullback. So this is the buy signal. Here we set our stop loss on our last candle price, and the profit will be 2 times from stop loss. And as I see, the price is successfully hit our profit target, and it counts as a successful trade. So if you have risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. So let's go with another example how to you can generate sell signal. In this chart, you can see three EMA is separate from each other. Also, it's another existing trend, and the EMA direction is down. That means we can take short position here, but our prices do not pull back. So you can see in here prices touches 50 EMA. So wait and see what's happened. So you can see prices successfully touch 25 and 50 EMA and give a pullback. This is a strong sell signal. So we just set our stop loss last candle swing high, and the profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. You can see prices go down and successfully hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. And also, if you have risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. So now let's go with second scalping strategy with 200 EMA and super trend indicator. So first I use 5-minute time frame, and from here indicator, and I want use super trend indicator. So I simply write here super trend, and you can see this indicator is super trend. Right now 30,000 of active trader use this indicator. I simply add this indicator on my chart. So now I want to add another indicator, name is EMA. So I simply write here EMA, and you can see moving average expansional. So I simply click here to add on my chart, and now I have to change the EMA length 9 to 200, and also change the style, the color. So I want to make it yellow, and change the thickness and make it more bolder. So the super trend indicator is very good for generate buy and sell signal. So you can see a sell signal, and it's a great signal. Also the buy signal, it was another great signal, but only work on trending market. But when the market is stay ranging, in this time super trend give us many false signal. So if you want to avoid the false signal, you can using this method. So sometimes ago we are adding 200 EMA. So when the price will stay above 200 EMA, in this time we just take buy signal, and we avoid all the sell signal as well. And the same thing, when the price will stay below 200 EMA, we just take sell signal and avoid all the buy signal. So let's go with live example. In this chart, price is above 200 EMA. That means we are just looking for buy signal, but the sell signal is still active. Now we just waiting for buy signal. So we just wait and see, and you can see we get our buy signal. So now we set our stop loss on our last buy signals level, and the profit target will be 2 times from our stop loss. And as I see, the price is successfully hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. So if you have also risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target as well. So let's go with sell signal. In this chart, price is below 200 EMA. Also the buy signal is still active, so we just waiting for sell signal. So after a few minutes, you can see the sell signal is appear, and this is our sell signal, and we are set our stop loss on our last sell level, and the profit target will be 2 times from our stop loss. And as I see, you can see the price is successfully hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. So also if you have risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target as well. So now let's introduce with third scalping strategy with 2 indicator combination. One is RSI and 2 is engulfing pattern. So I simply write here RSI, and you can see one indicator relative state index. So I simply click to add on my chart, and the second indicator is engulfing pattern. So I simply write here engulfing, and you can see 2 indicator engulfing bearish and bullish. So I want to add 2 indicator on my chart as well. So first engulfing bearish and second engulfing bullish. Okay, so I just set the time frame 5 to 3 minutes. And now I have to change the RSI setting, so go the RSI setting and from here is style, so I no need the RSI based MA line, so I simply click to remove this line because I need only the RSI line. So I need to change the RSI line color to white and I want to make it more bolder. Okay, so now I need to change the middle line color and the border size. So from here RSI middle band, I just simply change the color to yellow, also change the type to line and also change the opacity. Okay, so now simply OK to save. So let's see how we can generate buy signal with engulfing and RSI indicator. So in this chart you can see the red color and blue color symbol. Red color means bearish, that means market has a chance to going downtrend, and the blue color is bullish, that means market has chance to uptrend. And the RSI indicator yellow color line, it is middle band. So when the RSI will stay above the middle line and engulfing active as a bullish, at this time we just take buy position, and when the RSI line will stay below the RSI yellow middle line and also engulfing bearish will be active, in this time we just take sell position. So let's go with example. In this chart you can see RSI is stay above the middle line. So this is our first confirmation, and the second confirmation is bullish engulfing pattern is active. So now we just take buy position here and our stop loss will be last level of engulfing and the profit target will be 2 times from our stop loss. And as I see the price is going to up and hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. So let's go with another example how to you can generate sell signal with engulfing pattern and RSI. So in this chart price is below RSI middle line, so first confirmation is done and also bearish engulfing is active. So second confirmation is also done. So now in here we just take short position and our entry point will be here and our stop loss will be engulfing level and the profit target will be 2 times from our stop loss. And if I see the price is going down, it successfully hit our profit target and it's count as another successful trade. If you have risk management knowledge, you can also increase your profit target as well. So sometimes it's very risky. So guys, if you really love this 3 top trading scalping system, you can give a like on this video. It's your 1 second efforts of giving a like, but many for me, because your like will motivate me to discover new profitable trading system. And if you have any question, you can comment below. Also, if you want to get more useful tutorial like this, you can subscribe the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.